to hide birthday on Viber. Hello and welcome to Quick Guide. I'm back with a new quick and easy tutorial video on how you can hide birthday in Viber. For that, open your Viber application on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you reach to this page, here at the bottom you will find 4 different options. Click on that more option indicated by the 3 dots at the right bottom. Once you click on it, you will reach to a new page. From here, find the settings option. Once you find it, click on it to reach the settings section. Click on the privacy option below account and then you will reach to this page. Here you will find show your birth date option, which is currently turned on. Now if you want to hide your birthday in Viber, you just simply have to click on this button right next to it and disable it. Now your friends won't be notified on your birthday. Also, your birthday will be hidden from your friends. So in this way you can hide birthday in Viber. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.